Lauren Mishkon. We are talking about the breath.
Right. I've got polo mints. I've got spearmint gum. I'm good to go.
Now put them away. We don't need those. We're doing breath work.
Ooh.
I'm Nicole Goodman.
I'm Lauren Mishkon, and this is Self-Care Club. Breathing isn't something that we often think about. We all know it's an automatic bodily response and it keeps us alive. But in a post-COVID world where we watched a respiratory virus run rampage, we're now living in a time where breath has more meaning and has also gained a lot of attention and celebrity endorsement.
In Gwyneth Paltrow's Netflix show, The Goop Lab on Netflix, she featured Iceman Wim Hof, who introduced us to soft belly breathing to cope with extreme cold water immersion. He soon became a household name with people like Justin Bieber, Lauren's fave, slipping into his DMs. How do you know he slipped into his DMs? How do you know that?
I read it online. Also, I was just a bit jealous because he obviously didn't slip into mine. And never will.
He's a child.
He's not a child.
How old is he?
He's at least 29.
He's very young for you. Breathwork has now become mainstream, practiced by influencers and people seeking healing. Now, although breathwork is very on trend right now, it isn't new. No. Breathing is not new.
It's not new, folks.
It's not new. People have been practicing breathwork for thousands of years, and it has roots in yoga practice. Breathwork refers to any type of breathing exercises or techniques. Your breath obviously brings oxygen into your body so that you can live and thrive. And when you are physically or emotionally stressed, it affects how you breathe. Breathwork helps to calm your stress and bring balance to your body. But what is it and how does it work?
When you feel stressed, your breath tends to become fast and shallow. This limits the oxygen entering your bloodstream. The brain tells your body there's a threat and your body responds in fight or flight. But when you take time to slow down and purposely breathe deeply and slowly, you tell your brain that everything's okay. Your brain communicates to your body that it is safe to relax. The fight or flight response decreases and your body can begin to function normally again. It's very easy to become overwhelmed by stress and feel out of control. But when you focus on your breathing, you allow your body the chance to reset and recover from the negative side effects of stress. During breathwork, you intentionally change your breathing pattern. There are many forms of breathwork therapy that involve breathing in a conscious and systematic way. Many people find it assists with deep relaxation or leaves them feeling energized.
There are hundreds of different schools of breathwork, and within them, various breath types like box breathing, circular and breath of fire, and techniques such as nostril breathing, opposite nostril breathing. What's opposite nostril breathing?
Must be complicated.
Must be mouth
I think
breathing.
It's like that.
Well, for those of you that can't see, because you're not...
I'm plugging one nostril with a finger and breathing through the other.
Mouth breathing and breath holding, but the healing mechanism remains the same, the mind-body connection. I just find it amazing that we have to teach ourselves how to breathe now.
It's a bit sad.
It's really sad and really worrying that now breathwork has become... The way, even having to say that breathwork has become mainstream, well, of course it's mainstream. We all do it all day, every day.
Yeah.
But we have to bring intention back to the simplest of things because we're so stressed out and disconnected with ourselves.
Yeah.
It's terrible.
It is.
I shall continue. Research has shown over and over again that learning to relax is one of the most important keys to long-term health and vitality. That doesn't mean sipping a gin and tonic whilst watching I'm a Celeb. Well, it does. Whilst watching I'm a Celeb, that is totally relaxing. It means learning how to deeply relax and stimulate your vagus nerve. It also sounds like my idea of hell.
Being in Vegas.
No, just having to sit and deeply relax. I'm just terrible at it.
Yeah.
The vagus nerve connects to all the body's immune cells, stem cells, organs and tissues, and it has the ability to turn off your stress response and activate your relaxation response, making it incredibly healing to the nervous system. Your stress response gets turned on automatically every day, but very few of us know how to calm this system down. Stress is bad for the brain, so breath work is one of the most powerful tools we have to activate the vagus nerve and improve the brain and mind-body connection.
Yeah. some of the benefits of learning to do this? Well, it boosts your immunity. You can help develop your life skills. It balances your blood pressure. It helps you with deeper sleep. It gives you stronger respiratory function, and it releases stress hormones from your body. And emotionally, it gives you better mental focus. It lessens depression and anxiety. It can help with anger issues, anxiety, chronic pain, depression,
Everything. It helps with
grief.
everything.
Yeah. I mean, it's unbelievable. For the skeptics, medicine also confirms claims of its physical benefits. There are many studies that show deep breathing is one easy, accessible practice that can help to balance the mind and body and reduce the stress response.
Now, with regards to the downsides, there are a few things to be aware of. If you have asthma or breathing problems, cardiovascular issues, high blood pressure, or a history of aneurysms or vision issues, it might be an idea to speak to a GP before embarking on anything. One concern of breathwork is that you can induce hyperventilation. This can lead to dizziness, heart palpitations, ringing in the ears, and tingling hands and feet. So practicing through a guided recording program or reputable organisation can help you pace yourself and get the most out of your breathwork.
Yeah.